Okay, so test number 2. This time I'm using a Jebao DC pump. I gotta say, pump is pretty nice. The controllability feature is really cool, especially in this application. This is the DC 6000, so does 1200 gallons an hour. I'm not running a needle wheel on this. I am just running a massive Venturi, as you saw in the previous video, if I decide to post it. This is a Mazai 584C. I just turned the pump down a little bit from its top setting, and you can see it dropped it down a little bit. So, but I have a gate valve that I can use to adjust this, and here hopefully I can get it. Right, so you can see I can lower it, I can raise it. Let's turn this back up one. Now, there are some holes on that bottom plate right there that I never sealed up. So I'm guessing some of the water is exiting that way, and I will probably get a little bit more controllability if I seal that up. I may or may not do that. At this point I haven't. Yeah, the skimmer was a CAD Lights TIA 1150. I didn't like the way it performed. It was okay, but the little pump at the bottom, it just, I don't know, after a while it seemed like it wasn't producing some really good skimmet. And I've been really eyeing a Life Reef, and I would love to buy one, but it won't fit in my tank, and this will. Obviously, do a little modification of that line right there. This is just for my test display. It won't fit like that in the sump. But yeah, you can see the controllability of this thing is pretty sweet. I can really dial in where I want it to skim. And this thing, I just barely started it. Don't overflow. Stability on it, I have not had a chance to run it for more than, I don't know, just a quick test. I would like to, but I think that will have to be something that I test in the tank. Yeah. Looks like it's pulling lots of air to me. You can hear the injector. Ideally, I would like to run a tube on this, have it go up, and then basically pull air from inside the skimmer cup, just so it's self-cleaning like the Life Reefs are. I plan on buying a Life Reef at one point or another, but right now, I can't, you know, it won't fit in my system, and this is a good alternative, it seems like, now that I got the right pump and I'm putting the right amount of flow to it. Focus back in here. There we go. That's pretty sweet. I gotta say, I'm very happy with that. Okay, I gotta make sure dinner doesn't burn. Later.